Hello everybody, my name is Ali Yapon and my nickname is Bisipsa. I am 24 years old. I was born in Wat Thai village. Now I live in Nong Bon village. In the morning I study at laptop and evening I study at Susaka College. I get up at 6 o'clock. Yeah. And after that, I go to bed again. I love to eat all kind of food in the world. Yeah. I don't like study English because grammar is very difficult for me. In my free time, I like surfing the internet. On the weekend, I like listening to the music. Yeah, and listening my sister blah 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 blue blue blue. Okay. I would like to be business. I would like to be a businessman. Okay? Understand? And bye bye.